Greetings from Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota. Today, one of the rarest cars we have on our current inventory that's for sale is none other than an Elgin touring car. I'll tell you the facts in a second. Greetings and welcome to Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota. Today, one of our rarest cars on our sales floor at the moment, and probably almost ever, is a 1920 Elgin touring car. Now everyone goes, what is an Elgin? Well, Elgin, of course, was a watch company originally, but in 1916 they decided to get into the old car business, and they managed to stay into it only to about 1923. So 1920 was one of their better years for Elgin. It's got the big 6 engine. It is a really, really nicely restored older restoration on what I would say is probably one of the rarest cars we have here, in that we talked to the current owner. He said they know of about 11 Elgins that exist in the world. So if you're looking for something that guaranteed not very many other people have in the world, here we have one right here. And it is actually a very, very complete car. Has the correct Elgin emblem on the radiator, and it's even got the Elgin things in the mounted lights up on the cowl, has a design right in it. Has all the correct hubcaps, the steel dish wheels, of course, which were very common for those vehicles back in this time frame because these things had to go on roads that were not very good. It's got a very nice interior that's done as the way the car would have come in 1920. Wooden steering wheel. Even has the motometer, which is what they use to tell you if your car was running hot or not. It's basically the temperature gauge of the era. So, in other words, don't be looking for parts for this thing. It might be a little challenging, but you know what? It doesn't need anything. It runs and drives just like it did in 1920. So if you want something to add to your collection that not anybody else, probably hardly in the country, is going to find, we've got one right here at Ellingson's on our sales floor, of which we have almost 100 other cars that can also fall into the category of collectibles, original cars, street rods, resto mods, all the different kinds of stuff right here at Ellingson's in Rogers, Minnesota. Come and visit us. We're open Monday through Saturday from 10 until 5. You can come in person or give us a phone call. You can also find us on our website, which has all the pictures of all our current cars that are in our inventory, which is always changing all the time. So you can visit us there at www.ellingsonmotorcars.com. Or if you have to, you can also find us on YouTube and Instagram, and as well as some other of the many websites that are out there on the internet. So if you're looking for any of that kind of stuff, be it a collectible car that is one of a kind, basically, we have that here at Ellingson's. And if you're looking for any other ones, we've got other ones to go as well. But this is probably one of the neatest, rare old cars we've ever had. So come and give us a visit. Give me a call. Love to tell you the story.